Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will overview about Linux distro, which is Deepin, and it is developed in China, and its developer also from China. So there is a little bit security concern talking about this, except that I will overview about its user interface and its features. Let's quick do it. So you can see this is dock, and it's more like Windows 11 as well as Mac OS. So it's a combination of Mac OS and Windows 11. So it's good. You can customize the dock settings. Okay. This is dock settings. You can do it classic mode, which is like this, and centered mode like this, and you can increase the size of dock and as well as decrease. So whatever you like, it's up to you. And the position, you can set the position left, right, top, and as well as bottom. You can see it. And keep shown always, you can keep hidden, smart hid. It's also a feature. It will be hidden according to your according to the situation of the computer. So you can do it. And multiple display, only on main, that's about display sections. So if you are a user of multiple screen, then you can do a little bit customization in here. That's all about dock. And let's go to notification section, which is notification tray. Like it's little bit Mac feel, but here you can see it's about eye comfort when you use it at night. That's the option for you. And there is a Bluetooth. I use dongle, so there's a Bluetooth options, and multiple display again. And grand search, it's a cool feature. You can search anything from, it's a central search bar, so you can search anything from here right straight away. It's more like Windows search option in here. So and it's a clipboard, system monitor. It's cool. The one another thing is it works in laptop as well as on desktop. So I'm using right now desktop, and it's also it controls the screen brightness of the desktop monitor, which is really cool. You don't need native software for to control brightness. It controls whatever you monitor you use. That's really cool feature, you know. So for Windows, you need to install native software or a third-party software to control the brightness, but it comes with default. So this is a really cool feature. I like it. And soundbar, it's common things. And here are some trays, notification trays. And let's go to settings. Okay, control center, it's named is control center, so it's popped up in secondary display. It's display, so there is a little bit customization, whatever you like, brightness as well as and resolution and refresh rate, whatever you like. Okay, you can customize it. Network, VPN, personalization, it's about theme, you can change it like this, and whatever you like. It's really cool feature. Look and feel wise, it feels really cool. And good user interface, and mouse touchpad control setting, power, usual power sections, accounts. You can create an account in Deepin network, and system updates. So it will check the updates, and it will show you the option if there is any update available after installation. So this is all about settings. And let's go to this is Launchpad, which is the application you have installed right straight away. So Deepin manual device manager, device info. So let's overview. Let's see what machine I'm using right now. It's popped up secondary display, that's why I did not see the initial uh, instantly. So this is my PC configuration I'm using right now, and I have the great things about it. I'm using this distro in my laptop as well, and it runs really smooth, better than Windows 11. And my laptop is way old, it's 6th generation Core i5 ThinkPad, that is why. Also it has a store to install apps, but I don't recommend to use this because sometimes it's really buggy. Not buggy, I would say it's really slow to install apps from this store. You can use directly terminal. Okay, so here is terminal. If you are a real user, you would like to see the terminal use case. So it's really cool. If it's text, it's really cool size wise, and sharpness, it's really great feeling. So it's if you are a Debian user like Ubuntu, you would struggle in this. You will not struggle in this terminal because it's Debian based. Let's see. So I have become root. So let's apt update. What you do in Linux, Debian based Linux. So there is a 270 package can be upgraded, so I would not upgrade right now because it will take time. So I'm escaping right now. So it's calculator, default calculator comes in default. So and you can install whatever you like to install, whatever you need. It's Google Chrome, you see I have installed it. Firefox, VLC player, it comes default, and PyCharm, PG in VS Code, whatever you like, it's all are available to install it. And there are many apps as well. Whatever you like to install, it's available, so don't worry about it. It's also it's fast, quite fast and good. So whatever I would like to say, if you are not concerned about it, if you don't do any highly confidential work, you can definitely try, and it's up to you to install it. And thank you for watching. And if you have any question, and if you find anything wrong, please let me know through comment sections. I would definitely answer it. And if you find anything anything hard to install, any software or anything, please let me know. I would love to help you guys as well. So thank you again, and subscribe my channel to do more videos like this. And thank you again. Bye bye.